Welcome back, friends. This is Catherine Montgomery with Texas Premier, and this is Market in a Minute. Today we're going to talk about something I've had a lot of buyers ask me about, and that is, how much money do I need to get into a house? So I brought my good friend Ty Scoggins with Affiliated Mortgage. He's a loan officer there. He's a very good loan officer, and he's going to talk about some of the special financing for our first-time buyers. Ty, take it away.
Thank you, Catherine. I'm with Affiliated Bank Mortgage, and some of our first-time buyer programs would allow you to get in with as little as 3 to 3.5% down for your down payment. If we're looking at a $200,000 loan, we're talking $6,000 to $7,000 in down payment needed for your purchase.
Now, how much house at a $1,500 a month? If you're paying $1,500 a month in rent, and you want to sort of keep that the same, what would that translate into a house price?
If your current rent is around $1,500, I would say your mortgage would probably be around a $200,000 price range with that minimum down. A lot of that is going to be depending on credit scores and interest rates. Right now we are at historic rates, so it is definitely a good opportunity for buyers to transition from a rental into a purchase and not be paying much more for their monthly payments.
Right, and the good thing about this is you're building equity in yourself. Now, Ty, what kind of credit scores are we looking at to get into these programs?
Typically, I would say around a 640 credit score. That would depend on your loan profile, would have a lot to do with what is actually accepted. But I would say if you're not sure where your credit score is, let's take a look at it and see where we're at and possibly what we can do to get you where we need to be for the loan approval.
Now, would you tell our audience here, what is a first-time buyer? Can you tell them, because some people really don't know, what does that mean?
For a buyer to be considered first-time buyer, that means that you have not owned property within the past 3 years.
That's a great opportunity. For a lot of people, you didn't know that. Maybe you had a house a few years ago, things happened, you're renting, you're still considered a first-time buyer. So if you are in a lease right now, and maybe you won't be out of your lease till March or April, go ahead and contact us. Ty can work with you on maybe your score has mistakes. There could be mistakes on your credit report. We can kind of get a plan to get you in when your lease is up. If you're ready to buy right now, go ahead and contact us. We can get you started, and we're more than happy to just answer your questions. You may not be ready right now, but go ahead and give us a call, and we will be more than happy to help you first-time buyers get into a home. And we'll talk to you next week. This is Catherine Montgomery at Texas Premier Realty, Ty Scoggins at Affiliated Mortgage. This is Market in a Minute, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.